sure sa demo ninyo mamaya, ito ang una niyo sasabihin. Check the doctor's order for what again?
Restriction and
Restriction and precautions. And then, hindi ko na kayo i-ask mag-role play. Okay, sabihin lang itong mga to. Palitan kayo kasi magiging partners kayo dito sa demo na to. Salitan kayo. Next, check the client's identification. I will ask you how are you or what are the questions that you will ask. Again, what are the questions?
Complete name and complete birthday.
Complete birthday. Now you will tell me to explain the procedure. No need to role play. Okay? And then perform hand hygiene, prepare all the materials needed, and then provide privacy. And then secure the wheels, and then adjust the height of the bed to hip height, and then remove belongings of the patient. Okay, so tapos ka na dyan, mag-wear ka na ng gloves. Start na ako, diretso. So bare minimum, especially kapag occupied bed making, kailangan ninyong bare minimum, meron kayong gloves and mask. Okay? May mga particles yan, kung hindi ka magmamas, malalaman mo yan. Okay? Now first, remove your blanket. Kaya po ito ma'am. Papadaliin natin ang buhay natin. Sige, conscious si patient, no? Pero hindi na siya pwedeng bumaba sa kama. Okay? Remove your blanket first. Set this aside kasi in some institution or hospital, they don't change blanket every day. Sa inyo ba, they change their blanket every day? No, some of them, they use the blanket for 3 days before they change it, 5 days or even 7 days. No? So kung ikaw na nursing aide ka, nursing assistant ka, pangalawang araw pa lang ito, tinapon mo na agad sa laundry basket, ikaw ang magbabayad ng replacement ng blanket for laundry fee. Okay? Kaya, ito-document natin yan kung kailan due papalit siya ng blanket. Alright? Now, we will remove also the top sheet. But before that, you are to cover the patient with this. What is this?
Bat blanket.
Bad blanket. Okay? Still, the good side touches the patient's skin. Ma'am, can you hold on to this and roll the the top sheet inward. Okay? Para hindi mahulog yung mga particles. Always inward sa soiled linens. Okay? Discard, this goes to your hamper. Okay? After this, now you're gonna ask your patient to turn on the other side. So I will be working on this side first. I need to turn the patient on that side. Okay? So, on the map. Right? Then let me adjust your
I
pillow.
remember
also.
Raymond. Yung ano namin.
Okay. Now, I will be working on this side first. So, loosen the linens
Hold it.
and roll it inward towards the patient's body. So, roll them all together. Okay, wag nang isa-isa. Roll it towards the patient's body. So now, you can disinfect this part here. I will not do it, but on your demonstration later, you will do it now. So first is to disinfect the edges. Okay, or the sides of the mattress. Top sides first, and then the side of the bed, mattress. And then soak again and squeeze, and then center of the bed. Now collect the debris using your kidney basing. Do not drop it on the floor. Okay? Now, disinfect the bottom part. So sides first. Okay? And then you wipe in one direction lang. Laging downward. Alright? Kasi pag pinataas mo yan, malinis na yung part na to, nasa lubong mo na naman dumi, dudumi ulit siya. Okay? Gets?
Yes.
Assuming na natapos mo na yan and na-dry mo na din siya, now you are going to remove your gloves, perform your hand hygiene, and wear a new gloves. So this is the second gloves now that I am wearing. Now you are ready to apply your
Bottom sheet.
bottom sheet. So bottom sheet first. Proper handling of linen. Look for what? Which part
The
of the
hem.
Hem part.
hem side of your linen. This is the hem side. And then spread. Kapag ka-unconscious ang patient, humingi ng tulong. Okay? Yung isa, mag-aalalay dito din sa ano, kasi otherwise gaganon yung patient pabalik. Okay? After that, spread. And then itong sobra na ito, roll it inward. Paloob. Huwag palabas kasi madudumihan yung good side. Okay? Roll it inward. And this time you need to try to at least provide the wrinkle-free bend by making sure that you apply it properly at stretch. Kapag ngayon na isi-secure na natin yung corners, make sure na itatakin mo yan properly. Okay? Hilahin hanggang ilalim para humigpit. Hilahin hanggang ilalim ng mattress. Saka ngayon ito, i-miter. And tuck in yung excess. Tapos, yung bottom part naman. Like I said, hilahin hanggang ilalim. Tingnan mo na stretch ko siya, di ba? Mahigpit. Para walang wrinkles. Ay ma-miter. And then tuck in. Now, ita-tuck in lahat ng sides. Kasi bottom side, bottom, ano to, di ba? Bottom sheet. Make sure that your knuckles are
Facing office.
facing up. Your body mechanics should be squat. Okay? Right. Just to make it wrinkle free. What's next? Draw shape. Okay. You are to again look for the hem side. We apply this horizontally to the bed. Then roll this inward between the lower back of the patient and the back of the thigh. And tuck in under the bottom sheet. Then tuck in under the mattress. Next is absorbent pads. Over shoe, and then roll it again and place it under the draw sheet. Okay, now you're done on this part. You need to change first the pillowcase, tapos saka natin turn yung patient sa kabilang side. Inform the patient that she will not use pillow for the meantime. And never touch the pillow case outside. So dito ka sa loob hahawak. Okay? Dito sa loob ang hawak. Pag tinanggal, i-roll outward. So sa loob ang hawak lang. Kasi para hindi ka na magpapalit ng gloves. Dahil pag tinatch mo yan, kailangan mo na naman magpalit ng gloves. Dahil hahawakan mo yung fresh na pillowcase. So loob lang. Okay?
Sabi niya, dinigyan daw niya marami natin, parang matabang pa lang. Sabi ko, parang negative siya.
This goes to your hamper. Okay, so yung isa ko kasi is maliit, masyado. Ito na lang kunwari ang fresh natin ulit. Okay? Again, grab the bottom part, bottom center, and then grab your pillow and over, away from your uniform.
Lagay mo din lang mga salt.
You can put this here kasi naman malinis naman yan, so pwede ka magpatong dyan. Okay. Paano application ng pillow?
Yung facing
The opening of the pillow
The door.
faces the opposite of the application of the door. Dito mo na yan ilalagay, hindi doon kasi madumi yun. Ito malinis na, pinalitan mo na, malinis na yan. So ma'am, you will turn on your right side. Okay, you will just feel a hump on your back. Okay? Inform na meron sa mararamdamang hump. Okay? You can turn now, ma'am, please. Roll. Okay. Right? Now you go on the other side. Lower your side rails. Kapag ka lagi pagkatatrabaho ka on the near side to you, lower the side rails para hindi ka nahihirapan. And then remove your soiled by rolling them inward. Laging inward, anong reason?
para hindi po madamihan.
Okay, so that particles will not drop on the floor. Good. Then discard. So now you are going to disinfect this side. Again, edges on the side, tapos center, and set a spot where you will collect your debris using your kidney basin. So squeeze do on the bottom part and stroke only on one direction, okay, downward, and then collect for your debris. Assuming that you have dried it up as well, this time you are to remove your gloves, hand hygiene, and then change the new one. This is my what? Many gloves now.
Third
Gloves.
one.
Okay? Now, you are to spread your clean linens on this side. Okay, so mamaya, kabila ang side kayo, yung isa dito. Okay, yung isa magsispread na lang, yung isa mag-apply lahat. Oo, ganun lang sasabihin lang na change gloves. Now, secure. Again, pag nagsisecure, hilahin hanggang pinakailalim ng mattress. Hindi yung sinusuksok lang ng ganyan. Okay? Kailangan i-secure. And then, make a lighter. And then, tuck in itong excess. Mamaya na yung i-tuck in lahat. Tapusin mo na dito sa baba. Hilahin ng mas stress siya ng gusto, ha? Tapos, make a lighter. Tapos, ang may i-tuck in all sides. Kasama na yung draw sheet. Make sure that you're not always position up. Okay, now, I ask the patient to go at the center. Let me adjust your pillow first. So now you can wait for my instruction patient. Okay, now you can turn up. Move your body here. Move your legs here. Center, ma'am, center. Move here. Okay. Next, you are to apply the
Top sheet.
Lower the side rails. Look for the hem
Hem
side.
side.
Should be away from you. Okay. For the top sheet, you are going to make sure that you position it on edge to edge. edge of your top sheet and edge of your bed. Okay, but don't do this. No? Like that. Okay. Only here and then spread. And then you can ask the patient to hold this here and then remove the blanket. Roll them. I-roll lang yan, hindi yan kailangan i-fold and then discard. Okay. And secure the bottom part. Again, all the way under the mattress. Make a miter. Tuck in the excess. Hindi na itatak in yung side na to, tama ba?
Yes po.
So you go on the other side, complete the procedure. Lower down the side rails first. In all the way under the mattress. And make a miter. Dapat hindi sumasayad to ha, kaso hindi natin na itataas yung camera. Kaya,
Ay, hindi malaki talaga yun.
kaya talaga nakakuntan siyang malaki. Okay. This time you are going to apply the blanket back. Kailangan yung beauty ng blanket ang
Nasa labas.
to show. Cover it. Cover the top edge of the blanket. Then secure the bottom part of the blanket. Again, all the way under the mattress. Tuck in or miter. And do it on the other side as well. Pitan, make a miter. You're done. Now, kailangan mo i-offer yung call light. No, dapat nasa tabi ng patient. And isa lang. Ayan na, nakaupo na yan. Tatakpan lang natin yung top edge ng blanket. Okay? Lower down the bed to the lowest possible position. Huwag mo iiwanan na nasa hip height mo yan. Dahil pagka nahulog yung patient dyan, masagang pa niyan. Okay? At least, hindi masyado yung injury if in case mahulog si patient. Okay? Now, pabababayin na natin si patient. Yan na yung ating occupied. Dahil na tayo sa occupied. Sa inyong demo, uunahin ninyong gawin si occupied para pag na-apply na natin lahat ng linens, pabababain natin si patient, sa kung kayo ngayon ipapaperform ng inyong 3 kinds of bed. This is your, just a review, this is your closed bed.
Close bed.
Okay, paki-lower yung side rails. So wala namang patient kaya dapat lower ang side rails. Then I will tell you to perform your open bed. So cover nyo yan. And then, pan-fold sa bottom part ng bed. Okay, pag nag-pan-fold, make sure ito ay nakalabas kasi yan hindi hilahin ng patient. Hindi yung pag nag-pan-fold kayo, hindi ganito ang pan-fold. Hindi ganyan. Ang layo. Okay? Make this available. Pagka hihiga na sa patient, ito lang yung hihilahin niya. Okay? Now, the third is surgical bed. Sa surgical bed, dadating si patient, consider the location of the door. Okay? Para dito papasok si patient, dito muna lang siya ipalipat. Hindi yun nandiyan si patient, iikot pa sila pag ganoon kung doon pa ipapalipat. Okay? Since dito malapit yung door, ito yung side na i-open mo, ipapan-fold mo siya sa kabila. Okay? To do that, loosen the blanket, loosen the top
Top
sheet.
sheet.
Careful not to remove the bottom sheet kasi uulit ka na naman. Okay? And then again, pan-fold it on the other side. Ito yung hihilahin niya, no? Ito. Yung part na to. So, dapat make this available when you unfold. Okay. Make sure din na kapag transfer si patient, no, nasa gilid nito, dahil pag transfer si patient, pag nahigaan niya to, mahirapan kayong pumutan siya. Remember, may shock opera. Di ba? Tapos, close this side, no, para it will indicate doon sa mga magta-transfer na kung nila ililipat si patient at hindi dito kasi sarado. Okay?